In this video we want to show you roasted almonds with pomegranate flavor. These nuts got bought in a supermarket in Seoul, Korea. The packaging got lovely design with lots of colors. The pack is resealable that you don't have to eat all nuts at once. Let's enjoy this without talking in autonomous sensory meridian response, or short, ASMR. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.